Wipe his nose.
Baby Elmo has a cold.
Good job. Achoo. Wipe his nose. Wipe his nose. Good job. You wiping your nose? Well, good job. Look at wipe Elmo's nose. Wipe his nose.
Elmo, please.
Good